My video guide is about getting rid of the browser notifications coming from the site srzknw.com. srzknw.com, the website that displays fake alerts in the form of web push notifications. It tries to make you click on the special allow button, supposedly to watch some video, but in reality, to click on allow is a mistake. If you do that, the browser will be hijacked. You will start receiving the great portion of ads that will be displayed in the right part of your computer screen. Some of these ads are extremely dangerous. They may point you to some other shady resources, the websites that may promote adware, browser hijackers, and other threats. If you have mistakenly clicked on allow button, you also may start receiving the great number of ads in the form of web push notifications that will be displayed in the right part of the screen. So you should remove these ads. Go to the menu, go to Settings, then choose Security and Privacy, Site Settings. Go to Permissions, choose Notifications. Pay attention to the sites allowed to send notifications and remove any malicious sites from the list. So if you find any junk sites, get rid of them. To make sure that your computer is free of other hidden threats, I would recommend scanning it with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Please get its fresh version on the website combocleaner.com, download it, install the software, and then start researching your device with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called Anti-Ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.